Hello and welcome back everyone to Login Helps. In this tutorial video, we will be discussing how you can delete the continue watching history on your Netflix application. As we all know, the Netflix application saves your viewing history so that you can continue watching from wherever you left off every time you end your viewing session. Due to this, you can continue to watch from wherever you left off from one device and pick it up from another that you have connected your account with. In order to do this, you will need to use your web browser, as you won't be able to do it from the Netflix, Windows, or the smartphone applications. So let's go ahead and open up our web browser and then go to netflix.com. You will need to sign in, so click on the sign in button at the top right corner. Then just enter your email address or your phone number and your password. Then click on the sign in button. You will now be logged in to your Netflix account. Now just go ahead and click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Account. This will take you into the Account section. Just scroll down and you will be able to access all of the profiles. You can click on the drop-down menu on your profile and then click on Viewing Activity. This will take you into the page which lists all of your viewing activity. You can click on the Show More button if you wish to expand your list. In order to clear your viewing history, you can click on the Hide from Viewing History button. You will now be given a message which says that within 24 hours, this content will no longer appear in the Netflix service as a title you have watched. This means that this movie or series will now be removed from your continue watching section. And you will have to start this, and if you open this up, it will start streaming from the very beginning. You can click on this button for all of the shows that you want to remove from your viewing history. Once you are done, click on Back to your account and then click on the Netflix button at the top left corner to go back into your Netflix homepage. So that is how you can remove the continue watching history from your Netflix account. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell as well if you wish to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.